Welcome back to my channel, my Boujee Bosses. On this channel, we're talking everything money, everything profitability, and every way that you can increase the cash flow in your business. My name is Malaysia Jordan, and welcome to the Boujee Bookkeeper. All right, y'all, I am so excited for this video. We're going to talk about how to avoid taxes legally. Now, anybody that knows, baby, taxes can add up, right? We're already saving 30% of our taxes per month just to take care of taxes, right? There's such a big expense for our business. So today I'm going to show you, or today I'm going to tell you a few ways of how to avoid taxes legally. Underline legally, y'all, because the government don't play, and I don't want them coming for me, and I don't want them coming for you, so we're not going to do that. The first thing you need to do is understand your business structure. Some business structures, and by business structure, I'm talking about whether you're an LLC, a corporation, a sole proprietor, some business structures are taxed less or taxed more, but taxed differently from each other. Corporations have the biggest tax breaks. Corporations fill out Form 1120, and they just come with a lot of tax breaks. When Trump was in office, and different presidents have just created so many little loopholes when it comes to taxations for corporations. So you will receive more taxation for corporations than you will any other business structure. As a sole proprietor, you're going to fill out Form 1040. And if you have an LLC, it's the same thing. You're going to be filling out 1040. So we definitely want to make sure you understand that business structure does affect taxes. Let me go ahead and make this clear one more time, okay? You want to make sure you are avoiding taxes legally. Not paying your taxes, reporting false numbers can lead to the IRS conducting an audit on you. And they can audit up to 6 years worth of tax returns. So please do not lie on your tax returns and do not do anything illegal. I am not promoting that, and I am not supporting that. These are ways that you can lower your tax obligation legally. Your girl got you. Let's get into it. Number one, understanding write-offs, understanding what can be deducted of your business, right? So you want to make sure when you have a small business that you are claiming the highest amount of tax deductions as you can. Your phone bill, your home office, supplies that are tax deductible, branding for your business, marketing for your business, legal and accounting fees. All those are tax deductible write-offs. So you want to make sure throughout the year you are tracking those down to the T. You have the receipts form, and you're able to go ahead and turn those numbers over to your account or tax preparer so that you have the highest tax deduction possible. Another one, which is really great around the holiday season and really can be done at any month, is donating in charity. All of those are write-offs, and they will lower your tax obligation significantly. So pick your favorite organization, your favorite nonprofit, tithes in church. If you're able to get a receipt, you have to make sure that you get a receipt every time that you donate to charity. Going to Goodwill, giving out your clothes are tax write-offs that you can have for your business. So make sure that you are going ahead and donating and giving to charity to bring down that tax obligation and to avoid paying high tax rates. The other thing that they're doing is they're paying into or contributing to their IRAs or their retirement plans. IRAs, retirement plans are exempt from being taxed. And you can invest up to $20,000 into your IRA or your retirement plan. And guess what? When you're ready to take that money out, it is tax free, you guys. It is tax free. So again, make sure that you are, and you, as a business owner, that's something you want to be doing right anyways. When you're ready to go ahead and sell your business or give your business up, you want to be able to have that cushion to fall back on. So not only it's a two-way street. So not only are you avoiding taxes legally because you're putting almost $20,000 of your money into an IRA that the government cannot touch, when it's time to take that money out, it's also tax-free, and now you're comfortably living on that money. So these last two are what the wealthy do, okay? So one, you want to invest in bonds. Okay, we all know that bonds are something that you're buying on behalf of the government or you're loaning government money. Once you invest money into bonds, they are tax exempt, 100% tax exempt. You don't have to worry about it. Why? Because you have invested this money to the government to collect interest, and then when you're ready to take these bonds out, you can take them out. Boom, bang, bang. You can buy the highest bond that you want. The interest rates on them aren't so good, but hey, it's a way for you to tuck money away and not have the government tax you on it. So bonds are another way that multimillionaires, your head corporates, are avoiding taxes. Secondly, you want to get paid in stocks. Paying yourself a salary or a wage, you pay yourself in stocks. Stocks are tax exempt unless you sell your stock or you share your stock. Then they become, of course, you got to pay taxes on them. But without them, instead of paying yourself a salary or a paycheck, pay yourself in stocks, right? So if a year or two from now, if you want to sell those stocks, then you can. But at the current time, if you want to save money, then get those stocks, pay yourself in stocks. That way, you avoid having to pay self-employment tax. And we know that can be very, very expensive. So that's a great legal way of avoiding that tax. Okay, everybody, thank you for tuning in. My name is Malaysia Jordan. I am the Boujee Bookkeeper. If you are a small business owner and you know you are too busy to handling that bookkeeping, or you don't know what you're doing, or you made a complete mess of it, don't worry, your girl is here to save the day, okay? Make sure you go to my website, www.boujeebookkeeper.com. What you can do is yourself a consultation. We'll talk about what you need. I'll talk about what I can do. And if I find that we can work together and we can make this thing work, then we will make this thing work, okay? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. So those are some simple ways that you can avoid taxes legally. If you are a small business owner and you know that you can no longer handle your taxes, if you are a small business owner and you need help with your bookkeeping, whether you're scaling fast or you just do not have the knowledge to be able to get those accurate records and accurate numbers that you need, make sure you schedule a free consultation with me at www.theboujeebookkeeper.com. What will happen is you will sign for a consultation. We'll hop on a call. You'll tell me exactly what you need. I'll tell you exactly what I can do. And if we can work together, then we'll move forward from there. I hope to hear from you soon. I will see you in the next video. Bye.